As the frequency of the planet continues to elevate from the sun's increased activity, one thing we are going to begin to see is the opening of multiple portals. It's going to get to a point where things almost look like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie all over the planet, all right? And a lot of people probably won't believe what I'm saying. Some of you think portals are just something shown on TV that's fictional. But what if I told you that a quantum physicist researcher at the University of Iowa by the name of Jack Scudder actually figured out how to locate and find them? Now, the scientific name for portals are referred to as X-points or electron diffusion regions, cosmic family, all right, which are locations where the magnetic field of the planet connects to the magnetic field of our central sun. This magnetic frequency creates a path leading directly from our planet to the central sun's atmosphere. There has been literally several observations by NASA as well as Europe's research facilities that indicate that these magnetic portals open and close multiple times every day. And they indicate that it's hard to establish a particular location for the portals because they literally open and close without warning. Now, one thing they don't consider when evaluating these portal anomalies is that we also have an inner sun, all right? Now, NASA, as well as our world leaders and top quantum physicists, will never divulge that information. In fact, they'll tell you that the aurora borealis occurs from the interaction between the Earth's magnetic field in conjunction with charged particles from the sun. But what they don't tell you is the northern lights we see are actually created from the magnetic field of our inner sun. In fact, anytime there's a solar eclipse, what's actually taking place is our central sun is rising from inner Earth, and when that happens, the two celestial bodies appear to overlap each other, almost like the MasterCard logo. Now, the inner sun is typically referred to as the black sun, but its actual color is emerald green, okay? And this is due to the constant aurora that's created by the central sun's solar wind, accompanied with the reflective properties of the inner Earth's surface. Now, this constant magnetism from the inner sun is actually what causes these portals to open up. And a lot of these beings from other worlds are now beginning to come through. Now, as I stated in several videos, we actually have the ability of visiting these worlds through things like astral projection and remote viewing. Remember, I told you that you are not the body, all right? You are infinite primordial cosmic energy. And while we're on the topic of portals, it's important to know that we open portals every night throughout the duration of our sleep cycle. Literally every night you go to bed, while your body sleeps, your soul is constantly traveling. The problem is most people don't have enough energetic life force, prana, or ashe to bring the memories back. This is why I stress the importance of healthy eating and avoiding things like processed food and refined sugar that are designed purposely to lower your frequency. They maliciously attack us through horizontal gene transfer and genetically modified organisms that have adverse effects on our genetic sequence. They are